How to clear all previous activity on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, you will see the option for Accounts Center. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the Your Information and Permissions option under the Account Settings tab. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to tap on the Your Activity of Meta Technologies option and then tap on the Clear Previous Activity option you see there. Further tap on Clear and now in the interface that you will then be led to tap on Clear Previous Activity option again, and with this your previous activity will be cleared. So this is how you can clear all previous activity on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.